Hi, I'm the designer of PenelopeRED, and today I wanted to show you how to take your own measurements, because I know that a few of you sometimes get confused when I ask for certain measurements, so I'm going to try my best to show you how to do it yourself from home. So first of all, bust measurement. You should try and make it as straight across your back where the top of your, around the widest part of your bust. So make it as straight as possible, like this. It's a bit tricky because I'm not standing in front of a mirror, so I'm hoping that it's nice and straight, but you should be standing in front of a mirror and making sure that it's nice and straight. Also, when you are measuring your bust, make sure that whatever bra you're wearing at the time is most likely going to be the bra that you're going to wear in the design that you're hoping to order or buy. Also, your waist measurement. Try to wear something that has a fitted waist, and if not, I'll show you another way to get that waist measurement. So because I've got a fitted waist, I can just measure nice and straight around my waist. And then hip measurement is the widest part of your hips and your backside, and it should also be nice and straight and parallel to the floor. Okay, now if you don't have a fitted waist, you're not wearing a fitted waist at the time, and you need to find your waist, the best way to do that is to get a piece of string. I'll just get some scissors. And tighten that piece of string. So, if you put it here, then obviously it can go tighter and smaller. So the smallest area on your torso is where your waistline is. Okay. You obviously don't want to make it so tight that you're looking like a Christmas turkey or Christmas ham, you want it to be comfortable, but then you can then follow that line around with the measuring tape. Also, a lot of the time, a lot of the designs that I make, I need to know your underbust measurement. So that's where the bottom of your bra line sits, and it goes all the way around the bottom of your bra along the back there. Sometimes length of top or length of design can be from shoulder down over your bust all the way down to, say, where the length that you want. So if you want it to sit where this design is at the moment, you would say that the length is there. But if, say, for instance, you want a dress, you could then do this. Now, honestly, the best way to do it is to ask someone else to take your length, because as soon as you start bending over, it changes the length. But if you have no choice but to measure it yourself, then the best way is to hold it as you move down, and say if you wanted a knee length, that's the knee length there. There are a lot more complicated measurements that I can show you, but most designs in most measurements you'll ever really need are those ones. Length of sleeve can be a bit tricky as well, and it's always best to ask someone else to do it, but you can sort of approximate from there, so it's from the tip of your shoulder down to wherever you want the length. Yeah, and I think that's it. I hope that has helped everyone, and yeah, if you're looking for this design, it's on my website at penelopered.com.au. Thank you.